There is a man who satisfies. Wherever you are, whichever thirst that you have, know that Jesus satisfies every thirst. Jesus is going to quench your thirst. It doesn't matter the promises that you have been given. You have been asked for money. Maybe because your family is not well. Maybe because your relationship is going bad. But it is only Jesus who can satisfy. It is only Jesus who can restore your family. It is only Jesus who can heal every disease. Only if we surrender to Him. Only if we hunger for righteousness. He is going to fulfill us. He is going to fill us. Brothers and sisters, I'm calling upon you that you're going to search your heart. You might have moved from Uganda to Kenya. You might have moved from Uganda to Rwanda, seeking for us to be quenched. But I want to assure you, God is calling you. That Jesus is going to satisfy you. The money that you have used to go those places, Jesus is next door. He's just next to you. You can just turn to Him. You can just call upon His name. And Jesus is going to satisfy. Jesus is going to quench your thirst. Are you there? And you feel so devastated because you think everyone else has left you. Your friends might have disbanded you because this moment you don't have money. You don't have money. Before you had many friends because you had money. And now that you don't have money, you have no friends. Everyone is running away from you. There is one man who will embrace you. And this man is Jesus Christ. Jesus Christ is going to embrace you. Jesus Christ is going to embrace you as his son, as his daughter. Just look at him. He is calling out to you. Just turn to him. For he loves you. For he cares for you. This is the day that the Lord has made for you. That you just turn from all those other quenches that you have forgotten. You turn away from all those other things you think they can quench you. And come to him. And he's going to satisfy. He satisfies. Whatever it is in your life, he is going to satisfy you. You don't have to go for kilometers. For Jesus is near. He's just with you. He's just telling you to look after him. You not pay even a single cent because he is just next to you. You need only to surrender to him. You only need to accept him. Just reflect on your life. Reflect on your life. You know what you have gone through in life. You know where you have gone in life. You have been told even your brothers or your sisters. They are the cause of your sicknesses. They are the cause of your sickness. You might be told that they are the ones who have caused death in your family. But I want to assure you, Jesus is enough for you. Jesus is enough for you. He will satisfy you. I want you to search yourself. Just close your eyes. You know all that you have gone through. And speak to God. Speak to Him. And tell Him to satisfy you. Ask Him to forgive you.